2023 Promaster and up. We're gonna replace a headlight bulb. I actually took the other side out so I can show you a little better. So they made a huge improvement from the previous version, from the older Promaster. Now it is a lot easier to do the bulb. Now all you do is twist and pull, just the way it should be. Connector slides down, pretty easy too. So here we have Headlight from 2014 up to 2022 Promaster. You can see it's got a bolt here, bolt there. There's a trim that needs to come off. There's another trim on top that needs to come off. And then there's a third bolt from the top here. There's a little clip here that you need to push forward. And the headlight comes on. There's the electrical connector. And from the back we have the access to the bulbs, which you cannot replace with the headlight in the place. You have to remove the headlight because these bulbs go pretty deep, as you can see, and they're not very easy to remove. So first, this electrical connector, you're gonna press this and it comes off with the bulb. It comes off somewhat easy, but to put it back in, I mean, sometimes it goes in easy, but sometimes it just gives you such a hard time to get it centered. And you know, this plastic connector a lot of times is dodgy, and it's just a horrible design. So happy that they finally updated the design in 2023, and it is much easier, and you don't even have to remove the headlight out of the car. I would still do it because the headlights are so easy to remove. Obviously these bulbs are different. This connector just slides off. So you might be actually able to replace the bulb just like this. You can reach it. I would probably take the headlight out because on these newer Promasters it is a lot easier to take the headlight out. All you need is a T30, one bolt here, and either a T30 you can get jam in here just like that, or a 14mm socket will do the trick too. And now you grab the headlight and you slide it towards the center, just like this, and the whole headlight just comes off. One wire connector, you gotta press the tab and pull. See, the tab is in here. Just press it and pull, and the headlight's out. So they made it super easy. They really did a good job on making these Promasters more serviceable. I mean, easier to service. If you want to take this front grille out, you have to take the headlights out to reach these T30 bolts. Couple bolts on top here, and again, like previous year, there's two clips, one there, one on the other side. Those clips needs to come off, and then the whole grille will come off. And then you can take the upper radiator support off and you can do your engine work. spark plugs, intake manifold, oil cooler, whatever needs to be done. Okay, once all the bolts are out, you just grab the grill and you pull, and the grill pulls straight up. You can see this bracket is for the plastic clip, and these bunch of other clips here and guides, so you just lift straight up. This is similar to the previous years. Again, bunch of T30s on top, on the other side, and some on the bottom. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. And be careful on the bottom. There's a cover that hides one of those T30s. So this cover needs to come off so you can access that T30 there. And this whole thing will come off. And then this upper radiator support, bunch of 10 mils. The only thing I don't like about these new Promasters is just when you're taking the upper radiator support off, they still have that bottle mount to it, which is a little pain in the butt to, you know, get it off. And they have the hood strut mounted to it. So if you want to take this off, you gotta figure out a way to hold the hood up. So I usually stick a pry bar, you know, somewhere in here and have it jammed up against here, so